What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. The name's Roakane in case you didn't know. And I make videos, yes, all kinds of videos. I don't know why I started this video with saying that, but just because I do that and that's what I do. Anyway, currently I'm filming this with my Samsung Galaxy S8 and I love that phone, I really do. I think it's amazing and I really don't need another phone because the phones don't change that much anymore and it's kind of a bit useless to buy another phone right now with the upgrades that you only have. But anyway, I bought another phone and I bought the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Why? Because I wanted a bigger screen, because I'm always on my mobile device and most of my media consumption I do that on my phone. So I thought a bit of a bigger screen should be fun. I did want a cleaner version of Android, so I was looking for the Google Pixel or the OnePlus that's coming out in the near future. But, you know, the Google Pixel XL3, you know, the notch on that thing is just ridiculous. And I think if I would switch from my perfectly amazing screen from the Samsung to the Pixel screen, I don't think I would be satisfied. Though the version of Android would be cleaner on the Pixel and the camera would be better, some say. So I don't know, but it is what it is. Also, my girlfriend has a shit phone and I was like, well, if I get a new phone, you get my phone, which is only a year old, and that should be good for her. So she finally has a decent phone, because in the past she has had an iPhone, but an iPhone 5. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with Apple. Apple is amazing, but overpriced, and yet you can say that about Samsung a little bit. But still, there was like a $200 euro cashback right now, so I bought the phone for $650 instead of $850. So I would say that's a good deal, considering the S9 is just as good as the iPhone X, iPhone XS. That's just the way it is. Fucking sue me. No, don't do that. So yeah, I thought I filmed this intro, and after this there should be an unboxing. What's up everybody? So this is the unboxing that's going to begin. So apparently it's one of the Red Devils, which is the football team of our country, who did really great at the World Cup. Congratulations to them. Yeah, let's unpack this and see what's in it. Also, this is the box of the S8 where the S8 came in. Yes, I kept it. I don't know why, because I wanted to. And yeah, let's see the difference once I get this open. Alright, so these are the boxes right next to each other. And as you can see, it's the S9 Plus. Why? Like I said before, I'm always on my mobile device, so I thought, why not try something bigger? Yeah, hopefully I don't regret that decision. But the box kind of looks the same. Also the same amount of gigabyte. I don't know, 46 is more than enough for me. And there's always expandable storage. So yeah, thank you. Let's open it up. Of course, there's something else here. What is that? I don't know if you can see that. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Probably information and whatnot. And this is to pull out the pen. Whatever, I don't give a shit. Ooh, look at that. Get the... Oh, look at my face. Well, that's probably not something you wanted to see. But hey, you got it anyway. Let's see the back. Let's see the back. The coral blue. Oh! That's nice. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be, which is good. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. And there we go. The kind of adapter thingy. The adapter, I mean, all the cables very nicely. You get a lot of stuff in here. That's something you don't get from Apple, like this dongle. Either way, that's about all I'm gonna show. Maybe I'll show it once it's on. Yeah, I can do that for you guys. Also, don't mind the knife. And this is the cover that I bought with it. It's about 20 euros. I don't know, $17, something like that. So yeah, it should be really good for an idiot like me who likes to drop his phone from time to time. So yeah, let's get everything ready and then I'll show you, you know, when the screen is on. For the last, that will be the last thing that I show. Jesus Christ, I can't speak anymore. Right, this is my computer. I don't know why I showed you this. Yes, I'm watching Boruto. So I wanted to show you this, which is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I thought let's play a video, and why not, of Marcus. So it's in the highest quality, which is 2K of this phone, and yeah, let's just see and listen to the audio.
Is what we call in the business a poor use of space. Do they absolutely have to go with this tall of a notch?
So you have audio that's coming out of here, and audio that's coming out of there, which is the difference, which you do not have with this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S8. Oh yeah, also Marcus is great. And what I'm saying is I'm filming it right now, and it doesn't really do it justice because the screen is amazing, which is what to be expected from Samsung. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video somewhat. It was kind of a bit of an unboxing and a bit of me talking because, you know, that's what I do. There's way better Samsung reviews out there, and they've been made a year ago because this phone is almost a year old again. Well, a bit more than 6 months, let's say it like that. So yeah, for me it's just an upgrade from my S8, and I love it, and I'm gonna love it, and there's really nothing more to say about that. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, and yeah, I'm really not used to making videos anymore because sometimes when I'm talking it makes no sense. Ta-ta!